Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, well, I think that's just how life is, busy. So I know it's been a while, but I'm here again. Hopefully I will post some vlogs that's been waiting to be uploaded. I guess I'm just procrastinating. So recently I've been introduced to an online auction by a friend of mine. It's called Jobalots. So Jobalots is an online bidding or online auction where you can get things that's been returned by customers because they are defective apparently, or they're not working, or some parts are missing, something like that. And I just started to browse the site, and I've seen you can bid on an item for like a pound. Well, the bid starts at 20p, and imagine just what you can get with a 20p. You can get from the smallest things like plates or mugs or glass to the biggest like tents, greenhouse, and all the lots that you can think about. Today I'm gonna show you what I have bought from Jobalots and what's the worth in the market and how much did I get it for, or if the item works, or is there any missing equipment or something. So what are you waiting for? Join me then. So the thing with Jobalots is they sell certain things, like loads. Sometimes they sell 12 pieces, like a mat, bathroom mat. They sell 12 pieces and it starts at 20p. So what are you gonna do with 12 pieces of mat? Maybe you can sell it. I think that's the idea as well. You can buy certain things, and later on if you feel that you don't need it, you can sell it as well. That's a really good income generating scheme. So the first one is a toilet seat. Obviously I have a toddler who's potty training, so I bought her this one. Online it is £21.99, but I bought it for £5, so really a bargain. So I guess that's how it is. We've got two extra ones. It's alright, next one. The humidifier. Why do we buy the humidifiers? Especially in the winter, we have always been using a dehumidifier to dry our clothes. And basically we put the clothes into a room, put the humidifier, and it sucks all the moisture. So it's like taking all the water from the clothes as well. And then after 3 days our clothes are dry already. The humidifier, it's 100, and I bought it for £28. So let's open it and see if it's working. Let's keep it on. So it's working, and we'll see how much water it collects. So that's worth it. Next is this one. I don't think I want to open it here because I believe this is the greenhouse. When I put it up, I'll give you an update, okay? So next one, as you can see, it's Jobalots. This might be from Amazon. I think it's unopened. The tape is still intact. Oh my god! It's like opening a gift, but I already know about it, it's just that I'm still surprised. I'm really fond of plants. I've been eyeing this for quite a while because it looks so nice. I've seen this in B&M and IKEA, but they can be really expensive. So I'll show you what I got. This is for my plants. It's like a pot. Well, it's a decorative pot, but obviously the plant has got a pot on its own. I've been eyeing this in IKEA. It's like 19 or something like that, 16 per piece, and I've got 3 pieces of collapsible drawer inserts. This one, as I said, is 16 per piece in IKEA, and these I have no idea how much. So next one is this one, the Bluetooth car charger, and it looks like this. So it's got 3 ports. You can play via Bluetooth. You just put it in the car and obviously connect your phone into this one, and it plays via Bluetooth. You can answer calls with it as well. And so it's this one, and it's about £22, and I only bought it for £2, so it's a bargain. I can say it's good. So the next one is this one, and it says on the box, customer refused. So I've opened it. It's a sleeping bag. So yeah, it's for children, kids, teens, adults use. Obviously only one person. £34, 33, and I only bought it for £7, so it's a bargain as well. Next one. It's a wall shelf, like this. So that's three shelves. I'm a frustrated interior designer. I'm trying to fix our house and decorate. So I bought this. So I have somewhere to put my plants as well. So plants and decorating, sometimes they go together. So it's usually sold at £25, and I only bought it for £8. So okay. The next one is a space heater. So we can put it in a room where we only want that room to be heated. So yeah, it can be used as a fan as well in the summer. It's like this. There's a plug there. It's a power switch at the back. The controls usually sold for £50. I bought it for £4.50 instead of £50. We'll check if it's working as well. Yeah, it does swing, and it's warm. Oh, I love it. It's really portable. Wow, I like it. £4.50. It's really a bargain. And last but definitely not the least, this is a steam mop, so I don't have to manually mop the floor. Storage box. So these and these, usually both of them are sold £73, but I bought both of them for £6. Imagine that. And in total, maybe I have bought them for like £100. So in our humidifier, there's water there in the bottom. That means it's absorbed some humidity in our lounge. The space heater is really working and it's nice warm air. So everything I bought in Jobalots are working and they're really nice and cheap. The only thing is that for every 10 kilograms they charge $4.99. So if you are buying some things, like for my greenhouse, it's like more or less 15 kilograms, more than 15 kilograms. So I paid like about nearly £10 for the shipping, because the shipping is $4.99 for every 10 kilograms, all your orders combined. And they charge tax as well. I think it's 20%. Just be aware of what you are buying, if you really want it, and if it's too heavy. And yeah, just be mindful because you can get addicted to it. I think I had a moment, but yeah, as long as you have the money to buy for it, just be aware. But it's really cheap and they're working. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for joining me in unboxing this Jobalots haul. I'll be updating and uploading my vlogs in few days time. Thank you again for coming to my vlog, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!